equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson V10. This task may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement motor ready to go. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V10 is unplugged. Safety first. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Now, using the T15 torque screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the main body apart. Be cautious as there are wires connected to the motor. If you feel unsure at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation. Next, locate the motor. It's usually situated at the back of the vacuum. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the motor. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any clips holding the wires in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the old motor. It may require a bit of wiggling to get it out, but it should come free. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing and reconnect the wires. Ensure that they are securely attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the motor is in place and the wires are connected, reassemble the vacuum by aligning the main body and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Finally, reattach the dustbin and give your Dyson V10 a test run. If it's working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to replacing the motor in your Dyson V10. With the right tools and a bit of effort, you can keep your vacuum running like new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.